Hey everyone, welcome back to the Babalian Money Show. Today, we're tackling a big question. Can you really turn just $100 into serious wealth? The short answer is yes, and we're going to show you how by using the timeless wisdom of the master himself, Warren Buffett. So, if you've ever felt like you don't have enough money to start investing, this video is for you. First, a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research and consider consulting with a professional before making any investment decisions. All right, let's dive in. Warren Buffett didn't start with millions. His journey began with small, smart steps. The very first lesson from Buffett is the most important. Invest in yourself. Before you even think about the stock market, use that $100 to expand your knowledge. Buy books on investing, personal finance, or a skill that can increase your income. Buffett famously said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." A book might cost $20, but the knowledge inside could be worth thousands or even millions over your lifetime. This is the highest returning investment you will ever make. Once you've boosted your financial IQ, it's time to apply Buffett's second core principle. Understand the power of compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Here's how it works. You invest your $100, it earns a return, and then you reinvest those earnings. Over time, your money starts making money, and then that money makes even more money. It's a snowball effect. With just $100, it might seem slow at first, but consistency is key. Adding even small amounts regularly to that initial investment can dramatically accelerate your wealth-building journey. So, where should you put that $100? This brings us to Buffett's third tip. Invest in what you understand. Don't chase hot stocks or complicated trends you know nothing about. For beginners, a great starting point is a low-cost S&P 500 index fund, or ETF. Why? Because you're not betting on a single company. You're investing in the 500 largest companies in the U.S. It's a diversified, simple, and historically proven way to grow your money. Buffett himself has recommended index funds for the average investor. Many brokerage apps today allow you to start with very little money, even buying fractional shares, so that $100 is more than enough to get you in the game. The fourth piece of Buffett wisdom is to have a long-term mindset. Don't panic when the market goes down. In fact, Buffett sees market downturns as opportunities to buy great companies at a discount. He famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Your $100 isn't going to turn into $1 million overnight. But by investing it wisely and letting it compound for years, even decades, the results can be astonishing. Patience is your greatest asset. Finally, Buffett's fifth rule: live below your means and keep investing the difference. The reason most people don't build wealth isn't because they don't earn enough, but because they spend too much. Once you start earning more, whether from your job or a side hustle, resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle immediately. Instead, increase the amount you invest. Turning $100 into $1,000 is the first step. Then 1,000 into 10,000. It's about building a habit. The habit of saving and investing consistently is what separates the wealthy from everyone else. So, to recap, invest in your education first. Then, use a low-cost index fund to harness the power of compounding. Stay patient and think long-term, and continuously add to your investments as your income grows. That initial $100 is not just money. It's the seed for your financial future. It's your ticket to starting the journey. The most important thing is to just get started. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this broke it down for you and showed you that starting your investment journey is more accessible than you think. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and, more importantly, subscribe to the Babalian Money Show for more content to help you master your money. Let me know in the comments what you would invest your first $100 in. See you in the next video.